Ever used YouTrip and found yourself with leftover foreign currency or simply want to bring your funds back home? You're not alone. Many travelers face this dilemma. In this video, we'll break down the simple steps to return money from your YouTrip account back to your linked bank account. Let's dive in. For those new to YouTrip, it's a popular travel card that offers competitive exchange rates and cashback rewards. But what happens when your trip is over and you're left with funds in your YouTrip account? Worry not, returning your money is a straightforward process. Step-by-step guide. Log into your YouTrip app. Start by logging into your YouTrip app. Make sure you have the latest version for the smoothest experience. Navigate to Balance. Locate the Balance section within the app. This is where you'll see the total amount available in your YouTrip account, including any remaining foreign currencies. Select Withdraw. Tap on the Withdraw button. This will initiate the process of transferring your funds back to your linked bank account. Choose currency and amount. Select the currency you wish to withdraw, e.g., USD, Euro, SGD. You can choose to withdraw the entire balance or specify a specific amount. Confirm bank account. Double-check that the bank account linked to your YouTrip account is correct. This is where the funds will be transferred. Review and confirm. Carefully review the withdrawal details, including the amount, currency, and destination bank account. Once you're satisfied, confirm the withdrawal request. Important notes. Processing time. Keep in mind that there may be processing times for the withdrawal. These can vary depending on your bank and the currency involved. You'll typically receive a notification once the funds have been successfully transferred to your bank account. Fees. Review YouTrip's fee schedule for any potential withdrawal fees. Some currencies or withdrawal methods may have associated charges. Exchange rates. Remember that exchange rates can fluctuate. The exchange rate applied to your withdrawal will be determined at the time of the transaction. If you encounter any issues during the withdrawal process, refer to YouTrip's in-app help section or contact their customer support for assistance. They can provide guidance and troubleshoot any problems you may be facing. And there you have it. Returning money from your YouTrip account to your bank account is a simple and straightforward process. By following these steps, you can easily access your funds and enjoy the benefits of using YouTrip for your future travels. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.